हेलो फ्रेंड्स, योर एकेडमिक सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड में आपका स्वागत है।
Welcome back to AutoCAD 3D session. Okay, last class we have seen that modeling commands in which we have seen box, cone, sphere and wedge. There are another 3 commands we have to see in the modeling. I think in last class we have seen in the AutoCAD 2005, but that is little bit upgraded version. Now I bring for you to better latest version. Okay, in this one, this is the window for 3D window in which we will do the further class. Okay, now we will see about cylinder. Okay, cylinder, what it is written in the cylinder command. Create a 3D solid cylinder. In the illustration, the cylinder was created using a center point 1. That is the point 1. A point on the radius. Second is radius and a point for the height. The base of the cylinder is always on a plane parallel with the work plane. Okay. You can control the smoothness of curved 3D cylinders such as a cylinder in a shared or hidden visual style with the factory system variables. Okay. Now, for example, in class, in our mathematical class or science class, we have seen how much variables are required to create a cylinder. Okay. We need to suppose if we want to create a cylinder means we need 3 variables. Okay, one is center line. Okay, another one is radius. Center line is the base. Okay, from that radius or diameter, whatever it is, that is the formation of your circle. Okay, next, that circle we have to take it into the cylinder means we need the height. Okay, so we need 3 variables. One is base point, that is called center. Second one is radius, that is the radius or diameter, that is the values which is required for to form the cylinder. And third one is the height of the cylinder. Okay. Okay. Now we will create a cylinder. Okay. Just click on the cylinder command. Okay. It will ask you the center point of the cylinder. Just click center point. Okay. Next it will ask you the base radius. Okay. Suppose if I am giving the 10 meter. Okay. 10 meter in the sense you can say it in mm. Okay. 10 meter is 10,000. Just height. You need the height. Height you can give 20 meter. Okay, that's all. Now we have drawn the cylinder. This is the cylinder. Okay, if you want to see it on the 3D window, 3D solid means you can go to the view, in which view style you will have the lot of views for you. In that one you can select. It will give you the 3D. You can change the color also. If you want to change the color means just you can select here and just change the color whatever you want in the color book. Okay, you can give this one. Okay. Okay, now we have changed the color of the cylinder. Okay, one more time I am doing it. This is one cylinder. Okay, another cylinder we will do. Just click on the cylinder command. It will give you the, it will ask you the specify center point of base. Okay, just give, and it will ask the radius. You can give same radius. Again it will ask you the height. Okay, height now we will give 30 meter. Okay, 30 meter. Okay, now you see the difference between the both the cylinders. Okay, for this one also you can change some color, green, something like that. Okay, now there are two cylinders we have made in this one. Okay, now next, now we have made this cylinder in this single UCS, that is called top plan. Okay, you can see it in the front view. You will look the cylinders. Okay, suppose I want in the another view, means how we can do the cylinder is in another view. Okay, that we will see now. Okay, normally that whatever items you are drawing in the workplace, means that will create in the XY plan only. Suppose you want, now we have prepared the circle in XY plan and give the height in Z axis. That is normally we will do. Okay, suppose I want a cylinder in my perpendicular to the normal cylinder, means how we will do. Okay, that we will see now. Okay, for that we need to rotate our UCS. Okay, whenever you draw, that will be come in the XY plan only. So it means we have to rotate our UCS. In last class also we have seen how to rotate the UCS. Okay, for that one just you enter UCS and enter. Okay, now you can click origin is this one. Okay, now next is it will ask you to give the X direction. Okay, I will change my X direction to top and Y direction to this side. Okay, now my Z direction is like this. Okay, now we have rotated our UCS XY plan in the your front view, son. Okay, now what we will do, just so now we have rotated our UCS on the front view side. Okay, just now we will start the modeling of cylinder. Okay, just click on the cylinder command. It will ask you the center point. Now you can see how that circle will come. Are you understand why we are changing the UCS? What is the purpose of changing the UCS and all? Now you can see that circle is coming in the front view. Okay, now you can give you the radius of the cylinder. So you can say same 10 meter, enter, and it will ask you the, just see, Z direction is in this side. Okay, Z direction plus this side minus this side. Suppose if you give you the suppose in your cursor is this side, means you can give it in the positive side. Suppose you want it in negative side, means opposite side of the cursor, means you have to give it in the negative side. That we have seen in last class also. Okay, now I am giving in the 20 meter minus, so that our cylinder will go on that side. Okay, now you understood about the positive and negative sign of the height. Okay, okay, now I move this one to this side. Okay, this is our cylinder. You can give the any color whatever you want, yellow. Okay, again I am rotating the UCS to another plan. In that direction also we will make another one cylinder. Okay, so that you can familiar with the UCS and which phase we need the cylinder, how to rotate UCS and all other things you can understand from this. Okay, okay, now once again you give the UCS command, enter. It will ask you the origin. This is my origin. Okay, now I will give X direction is same, Y direction I am rotating. Okay, Y direction is this side, so that Z will come on this side. Okay, okay, again you can create a cylinder by clicking this one, just enter. Now you understood how it will come. Whenever you entering the command means it will give you the picture on the XY plan only. In which phase you are giving the XY plan, in that phase only your cylinder base will come. Okay, I think you understood very well. Okay, now I will give you the radius. Radius is 10 meter. Okay, now I am giving the negative sign, whatever it is. Suppose if you want in positive sign means not an issue. Undo once again, I will do just enter 10,000. You can give 25. Okay, now cylinder we have drawn in this axis. Okay, there are lot of other commands also related to this one that we will see it in later. Like angle, we need a cylinder in some angle means we just draw it in this angle and we can rotate it. That is one option. Another option, you need to rotate your UCS with respect to your requirement. That is little bit difficult to model. So normally you don't rotate UCS to different angles. Standard angles are that only useful for you. Unless there is a requirement, specific requirement for UCS rotation, only you can rotate it in the angle. Okay, that we will see in later. Oh. Now we have seen the cylinder commands. Next we will go for pyramid. I am deleting all those things and we will go to the pyramid. Okay, now you just see what is pyramid. Create a 3D solid pyramid. This is the command used for to create 3D solid pyramid. Okay, by default a pyramid is defined by the center of the base point, a point the middle of the edge, and another point that determines the height. This is the same like your cylinder. Okay, nothing different in this one. From this one, in cylinder we will give the radius. In pyramid we will give the face dimension from the center of the pyramid. Okay, and height, that is normally we will give it in the cylinders. The same manner we will give it for the pyramid. Okay, just we will see how we are making the pyramid. Okay, just click on the command and it will ask you the specify center point of the base. Okay, this is my center point. Okay, now you see this face is something like this. So I don't want to make it in this plan right now. I will change the UCS to the original position and whenever required we will change it for another position. Okay, now I will change my UCS to original position. UCS, you just enter W. UCS world, in the sense XY plan will be in the top view, so that normally XY plan will be in the top view. That is the UCS set called world. Okay, now you just select pyramid. Okay, specify center point of the base. I specified, and you give the radius. So radius nothing but there is no radius at all. This is for the your distance to the your face. Okay, I will give the 10 meter. Okay, this is my base. Next it will ask you the height. I will give the height of 20 meter. Okay, now we have to put the pyramid. Just change the color, whatever, blue. Okay, you can change whatever you want. Shade view or any stylish view you want, you can go to the view. You can do it in this way. There are a lot of views, you can select it. Okay, now another one we will make. Okay, again pyramid, specify center, give the radius and give 30 meter height. Now this is second pyramid we have prepared. Two numbers of pyramid we have prepared now. Now I will change the UCS, specify center point, x direction is this, my y direction is this, and z will be this. Okay, now again you draw the pyramid, center point is this one and your radius is this one, and you can give height about 10 meter. Okay, now you see your pyramid base is in the xy basis front view. Okay, another one also we will make it in this one so that you can familiar. Just click base, give 20 meter this time. Okay, little bit bigger, and give 50 meter of height. Okay, this is your. Okay, these two you give some colors. Okay, cyan. Okay, we will make another pyramid in the another view. Okay, another UCS plan. For that one, just click UCS, specify origin, and give x-axis will be in the same direction and y-axis in this one. Okay, now you can see your UCS here, how it will look. Okay, now your base will be in the y direction. Okay, now you just click to ask you the center point. Just give center point 10 meter and give height about 50 meter. Okay, now you can see. Okay, another one also we will make so that you can get familiar. Okay, just we will rotate our UCS and make another one pyramid and go for the command. Okay, just enter UCS, click on the origin. Okay, my x-axis is in this direction, y-axis in this direction, so that will come on this one. Okay, just you can give this here. Okay, so that you get clear idea. Okay, just select pyramid, this one just give the radius of 10 meter and height is around 25. Okay, now your pyramid is come. Okay, another one pyramid also we can make. Just enter base is just give 20 meter. Okay, and height is you can give 50 meter. Okay, I think now we go on through the pyramid command. Next is torus. Okay, now I will delete this one and next we will go for torus. Okay, torus means create a do not shaped 3D solid. Okay, you can create a torus by specifying center, then the radius or diameter of the torus and then the radius or diameter of the tube that surrounds the terrace. Okay. You can control the smoothness of curved 3D solids such as terrace in the shaped or hidden visual style within the factory system variable. Phase test system variables. Okay. Now you can go and click terrace. Okay. It will ask you the. Before that, I want to change my UCS to world. Okay. UCS world. Okay. Now your world UCS came. Now just click on the terrace. It will ask you the center line. Yes, I give. You can give the radius about 25 meters. Okay, 25, and you can give radius of tube around how much? 10% you can say. Okay, 2500. Okay, now your terrace came. Just see. Now you can change the color of it to red. Okay. Now your terrace came. Okay. Another one terrace also we can make. Just click. Give the same radius and give the 5 meter tube radius. See difference between both. Okay, now we have made the terrace. Just place in this location. Okay, next we can change our UCS center. X-axis is this side, Y-axis is this side. Okay, now you can make the terrace on this view. Just enter. We can click 25,000. Sorry, 25. Enter. Radius 5. Okay. Now you got torus on this side there. Okay. Another face also we will make another one. Okay. For that one, just change your UCS. This one, this one, this one. Okay, now you can click terrace and ask you the. You can give another diameter called radius called 50 meter. Okay, for 50 meter you can give the radius about 10. Tube radius about 10 meter. Okay, now you can see here. I think we have gone through all modeling commands. Only modeling commands with basic parameters only. These all are the basic parameters. Today we have seen cylinder, pyramid, torus. Okay. Now what we will do, quickly we can go through all the commands in single attempt. Okay. Okay. For that one we will go. Okay. Now one by one we will go through. Okay, just box, click. I think we already covered all the things. Just I want to refresh your memory for next class. Okay, box. It will ask you to specify first corner. Yes, I given. Before that I want to change my UCS to world. Okay, UCS world. Okay. Okay. Now we have changed. Okay. Just click on the box. It will ask you the specify first corner. It will ask you the other corner. Shift at 10,000, 10,000. 10 meter into 10 meter. Height I can give 20 meters. Okay. I have prepared the box. Okay. You can change color to yellow. I think you understood about the box. This is for your refreshment only. If you want get more detail means you can go to the last class session video. From that you can get all the other parameters, how to make and all other things. Just I want to refresh your memory only in this class. Okay. Next is cylinder. Okay. For click center. Okay. Give the 10 meter radius and you can give height about 20 meter. Yes, this is a little bit bigger than this one, so I want to make it uniform. Okay, for that one I will give cylinder and give radius about 5 meter and give the height to 20 meter. Okay, now I think it looks the same size, so that you can get the visualization. Okay, next is cone. Okay, for the cone just click the center and give the radius 5 meter and give height about 20 meter. I think you got cone. Blue. Okay, 3 parameters we have prepared. Basic shapes, these all are. Next is your sphere. Okay, just click center and give 5 meter radius. It will come sphere. Next is pyramid. Give center. You can give radius about same 5 meter and height about 20 meter. I think you got pyramid. Next is wedge. Okay, specify first corner. Save at 10, 20. Okay, and give the height about 20. Okay, now you got the wedge. Okay, last command is terrace. Just click center and give 10 meter and radius of the tube you can give. Oh sorry, it is little bit bigger. Click, give the radius on 10 meter and give tube radius 2 meter. Now look nice. We can change the colors. Magenta. I can give color red. I can give color this to 30. Okay, you can give this color to 150. Okay. Now we have prepared all basic parameters of the 3D modeling. In last class we have seen 4 numbers of commands. This class we have seen 3 numbers of commands, and totally we have gone through all the basic parameters. Apart from that, we also seen the polysolid, that is different than these things. That is the phase extrusion. Okay, now we have gone through all the basic parameters. Next class we will do extrude, loft, revolve and sweep commands. Okay, that's all. Thank you.